Hey y'all, just want to give you an update on the pop-up camper. Thought I'd give you a walk around with it set up and everything. Come on with me. There's some of the cushions hanging up for it. The 80s called and wants their cushions back. Look at that brown. Whew. Here it is in all its glory. This is a 1986 Coachmen Viking 210. This bad boy was top of the line in 1986. Came from a one-owner family. And you can see all the different bumper stickers on the back of a lot of the different places they used to go. Let's take a look inside. We've got all the cushions out right now. We're getting started on getting her cleaned up. That's it for the walk around. There will be some future videos coming of us working on it, camping in it, all the fun stuff. Thank y'all for checking it out. If you like this video and would like to see more videos like this and other things that I'm doing, hit the subscribe button, press that like button, and leave me a comment. Thanks.